Hi everyone. I wanted to do a quick video for those of you who might not have been able to come to our free info session. I know I had a lot of emails and messages from people who were like, I'm so sorry I couldn't make it. It is not too late to sign up. So I'm going to do a quick video of what we kind of went over. Obviously there's a lot of questions that people had at the meeting, so if you have questions, feel free to either comment below the video or send me a message and I will be more than happy to answer those for you. So a few things. Baby International stands for Birth and Business Incubators. A business incubator is basically a mentor or a group of mentors and teachers who take startup businesses and kind of hold their hand through the process of starting a business. Some of you know me personally and some of you don't. I've actually been an entrepreneur for over a decade now. I've owned 7 different businesses. Some of them have epically failed and some of them have been going really great. So I've been through the trials of being a new entrepreneur and starting a business, and I'm not perfect. I don't know everything, and that's why we also have teachers who specialize in things that I'm not real confident at either, and I can't wait to learn from them. So what our course is there's several different parts. There is the workshop, which is a live workshop where you actually come to the Edmond Birthing Center, so you need to be local or willing to travel. And you come into the Edmond Birthing Center and it's a one-day, we do promotional videos at the very start of it, and then we'll have all of our guest speakers and teachers there presenting some very basic content. From that, I am asking for your feedback of what you need more of, what you didn't like, what you loved, and from that we're creating our online course. So our online course will have the videos that we shoot on the day of the workshop, and then it will also have other videos and handouts and assignments and things that we compile after we receive all of your all's feedback on what you need. So this course is specifically tailored to entrepreneurs, specifically in the birth profession, but we also have people that are taking this workshop that aren't birth professionals. So if you're an entrepreneur and you're not in the birth world, but you're desperately needing like an education in how to start a business, you can sign up as well. This isn't just for birth professionals. Even though that's who we market to. Also, this course, once you sign up for it, you get lifetime use of all the videos. So it's not like, you sign up for a workshop, you go, attend that workshop, take notes as best as possible, and a year down the line you're like, I remember learning something about that, but I can't remember what, and I don't know where those papers are. This is an online course that you can actually use for your entire lifetime. It never expires. You don't have like a time limit or anything like that. You get life use of all the videos. Along with the course, you also get mentorship hours. So that's 2 hours a month that will be one-on-one with me or another mentor. And we can, again, help you with things that are specific to your trouble areas in your business. So all of this will be launching in October. So those of you who are our test students, you'll be doing the live workshop in July 21st. And from there, that's when we're creating the content, the online course. We launch that in October and you get full use of that course in October. Having said that, our course in October, we will actually be launching it at a price around $4,000. I'm not asking my test students to pay that. The payment for this course is just $150, and the reason why is because I need some things back from my test students. One, I need a media release, so I need, obviously I'm going to be taking pictures of you, and there could be your voice on camera, there's videos of you. If you do testimonials, which I'm also asking for awesome testimonials, then your story will be on video. So those things I need to be fully and completely released to me for promotional items, social media, websites, branding, all that good stuff. So that's what I really need from my test students, along with your feedback. So after the workshop, again, I'll be sending out a survey and asking you, what did you love, what didn't you love? And from that feedback is how we're creating our course. So again, you are our test students and I really love feedback. So anyway, if you have any questions, it's not too late to sign up. You don't have to pay until the day before the workshop. Everyone gets net 30 right now. So I would say, if you're just on the fence about it, please contact me. I would love to chat with you more about some of the other perks. some of the other things that we're doing and just kind of, explain that further. Basically, I condensed, a 40-minute meeting into 5 minutes. So I'm sure you have questions. If you do have questions, like I said, leave a comment below or feel free to message us. And I look forward to working with all of you, and I'm so excited. I can't wait for this to start. All right, guys, thank you so much. Bye.